Count on ABE to be there for you. Hello and welcome to ABE Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. With over 27 years of experience, we are experts in handling all your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. Serving all of San Fernando and Santa Clarita Valleys and Los Angeles, we will respond quickly. With the latest technology, we can diagnose and solve the problem in a timely manner. Professional and experienced, ABE is there for you. We have emergency service available 7 days a week, including holidays. ABE will do the job thoroughly and completely to your satisfaction. With confidence, whether it be plumbing, repiping, water heaters, sewer line cleaning, to heating and air conditioning challenges, ABE can do it all, from apartments to single-family residences. Call us for free estimates and guaranteed pricing.